Hi guys, welcome back, and we have a new map. I'm sorry for not posting. I was busy with school. Stay here. This is absolutely a 10. Okay, let's just fly away. Blind has a great sense of smell, shy. What I should do right now? Let's visit it because I don't know anything about it. I really like the crystals. Queen Another dragon. I think here are the powers. I have all this and this. I'm going to explain, but I'm too lazy right now, so maybe in the next video. This is Bruno Roguel, Jessie, Princess of Darkness, with visit King Fire. Oh, Mary, okay, I know what I wish. Okay, here is what you did. This is you know, uh. I don't actually really like the new map, but let's say, okay, this is the native biome, I think so. Disgusting. Disgusting. Actually, I told you I'm busy. Okay, let's see if we can find ice. This is actually keep your head up. With who do you talk? Keep your head up. Okay, Mr. Crossbreed. Okay. Dark hybrid, afraid of what? Let's break purity. Okay, let's break it. No, he fell. He died. Oh, wait, can you actually just... Okay, let's see what we've got. A cave. Oh, yeah. I'm Princess Emily. Why is everyone a princess? Yeah, let's go. Village in the snow. Ornithor Lake. Okay. You know that almost actually you don't. This is a dragon. Sleeps coldly. Shy Protector Hybrid. I'm a nature and dark hybrid if you come in. If you don't know, I told you now. That's this. Grim male. Okay, I know that you're a male, but okay. That's just. I hope there are more crystals, that's crystals. That was on the last map. I showed you all of them. I think I don't show you the nether crystal because I forgot about it. And I will see the video. And yeah. Wait, I think there is a climbable. Pick up items, food, map updates, and mission updates. Let's see what we've got. These are not anymore. No, okay, we've got absolutely nothing. King of Dragon, rare. I just hate when they do this. Okay, can you actually enter into this? Oh, that's it. This is okay. I don't see the dark crystal, but bad girl, most wanted assassin. Okay, this is my Cristelli. Sorry, I'm certain there is a cave behind this. I'm not sure. There is no cave. But there is no cave. Yeah, this is creepy because that hiding this is really wanted. Like it's like everyone is doing this, and yeah. Oh, this is pretty cute. Cool. True, they're playing truth or dare or truth. Okay. Let's see what we have. No, oh no. I think this is the nature cave. I should stay here. Yeah. As you can see, they are connected. I'm not going to show you any more things like all of them. Can you please stand them? Oh no. Oh no, I was about to fall. So the nature Iceland is really cool. Look, I think there's a cave. No, there isn't. Can anyone tell me here? Hit correct Phoenix under your own day. Diamonds. Okay, let's see what's the next Island. Oh, no, not this Island. I think that's the next Island. Let me see. Yeah, I think it is it. It is going. But where is going that Island? Is like, it is not flying. Okay, that's creepy. Oh, oh, sorry. Hmm. Ooh, this is pretty. Let's see what we've got here. This is okay. We don't got anything cool. Ooh, no! I was about to fall. I will be really happy if I will meet. Oopsie. If I will meet Max Fox one time, I know I will never meet him, but that's it. I just blow his channel. Ooh, oh, this is the pretty deal. Oh my gosh, let's just go back somewhere. I think this is a cool lava, a crystal. I really like it, the last one, because I know it's like on my hand, but there need to be trident crystals because this will be really cool. Like, can you? Oh, you can't. I know this is a big map. We didn't even explore it, but this was creepy. But then, don't know. I just okay. Let's see what we've got here. Very hot hair choke. Powerful build. Oh, she don't. Okay, this is that one in the okay fire. Okay. I thought firework is boy names, but I'm not going to. No, that's surprising me that there are two waterfalls. So yeah, there should be something in one of them, or no? Here, actually, if there's nothing, I will be really surprised actually. Let's find some food actually. Let's just say actually. Let's find some food. Okay, I was like, hmm, map. This girl was here, if you remember. Okay, this is becoming really creepy. Oh, I love dragons here. I didn't fall as a kid. Oh, I used to play on Nimbus Tempest. Hey, her name is. Okay, let's put my. Sorry, I said. What song is this? I don't get it. Okay. Okay, let's see the timer. Okay. Class for my beer. Never mind, I'm down. Okay. Let's see with black and white. Wow, this is. Wow, this is really pretty. Wow, I really like it. I can't see anything, so I'm going to put the warm. Oh my gosh, this is all so warm. Okay, let's see the next one. It is cold. I don't know what to edit these filters, but I really like them. You know, it is pretty, let's say. Okay. Mute. What is this? Oh, there's a find my item. No. Shall I change my skin? Yeah. To make clear, I just did. She's like, oh no. Okay, let's. I think I will edit my character. I will just make a test on it. I don't have routines. I'm going to bout. So I came back and I'm a new character. I saved it already. I don't know why, but I should make it more blue, I think. Oh, that's under here. And hope for me this take really long. So, wow, absolutely nobody. Okay, I will wait here until someone is coming. Bye.